Now let's look on to the classifications of Unix. Unix is classified into two types. One I can say like graphical user interface, we call it as GUI, and other is CUI, that is command user interface. The graphical user interface, we are naming it as a Linux, and this command user interface, it is named as an Unix. Unlike in the Windows operating system, you have both, right? You have GUI and you have CUI. So MS-DOS is represented as a CUI, whereas Windows operating system, that you see all the graphical folders, the start button and everything that you are seeing, it is called as an GUI, right? So in the same way, in the Unix also, it has been classified into two types. GUI, we are calling it as a Unix, and CUI, we are calling it as an Unix. Okay, now let's see the flavors of Unix. The flavors of Unix, when I talk about the flavors of Unix, Unix operating system has been developed by many other different vendors. The first one comes into the picture is the IBM AIX. The IBM was the one who has developed this Unix operating system according to their customization. They have customized this operating system for a very user friendly, and they are named it as IBM AIX. And we also have Sun Solaris, and it's a product of Sun Microsystem. And we have HP UX, we are calling it as HP UX operating system, or Unix operating system, than a Lion UX, that is called as a Red Hat. So these are the different flavors of Unix we can see. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this tutorials. If you do like this video, kindly please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more updates. And once again, thank you.